Hi everyone, in front of me I've got TOSCIDO X109, and let me share with you how to enable the night light or eye comfort mode. So basically we will start with customization of this mode, and after that I'll show much faster access to it. So let's begin with opening the settings. Here we have to enter the display and find the night light option, which is simply the name of the eye comfort mode in this device. So it should be on the second position. Let's tap on it, and before we will be able to customize it, we have to turn it on now. So let's tap on it. And as you can see, after turning it on, the screen immediately changes the tones. So right now it is kind of yellowish or even amber. And of course it is in order to filter the blue light. What's more, it will be much easier for you to look at the screen at the dim light. And here we've got the switcher, which will allow us to change the intensity of that feature. By going to the left, you can make it much cooler. It's less visible. And by going to the right, much warmer. It's almost orangish. Probably you cannot see here, I mean, you cannot see it on the video, but trust me, in real life, as I can see it, it's orange. So just set it like you want, or I can leave it like this. And here you can also customize the schedule, so you can turn it on at custom time or from sunset to sunrise. So if you will pick this option, your device will automatically decide when the sunset and sunrise are. Probably they are network based, but after tapping on custom time, you will be able to freely pick start time. Just by tapping on it, you can pick the hour from this clock and the end time, so for example 8. And as you can see, the screen immediately turned to those yellowish tones. It is of course because we are between the start and end time. So let me actually turn off this option. So basically that's the whole customization of the night light or eye comfort mode. And if you'd like to have much faster access to it, so if you do not want to enter those options using the settings all the time, just unroll the top bar and unroll it fully. As you can see here, we've got the icon which is connected to the night light, which is of course currently turned on. If you'd like to turn it off, just tap on it, and as you can see, the screen will turn back to its normal state. Of course, you can turn it on the same way. So actually this is it. This is how to enable the night light or eye comfort mode in your TOSCIDO X109. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.